Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB Chron Solarsoft. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike SB Chron Solarsoft skateboarding shoes, and this pair is in a men's UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in a women's US size 11.5, and this pair is in the black-white colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike SB Chron Solarsoft in the black-white colorway. And let's pop out the left shoe first and focus on it. So giving you that first look at this Nike SB Chron Solarsoft. And just setting the box to the side. And focusing on this left shoe and doing a 360 rotation so you have a full view of the skateboarding shoe. And taking a close-up look at the shoe, we can see that it does have a very soft and fine suede front area. And moving towards the midfoot area, there is a canvas panel. And as we move towards the back, once again we see that very fine nap of suede that wraps around the heel counter. And on the inner side, we see that canvas section again in the midfoot area. It does have a white Nike swoosh stitch to it. And a very fine suede toe area or forefoot area. And taking a look from the front, you can see that it does have a finely textured bumper around the toe and forefoot area. And from the front, moving through to the back of the shoe, and we can see the Nike SB Chron label on the tongue. And taking a look around the insides of the shoe. First taking a look at the back of the tongue. We see some product details on the back label. And the tongue does have a mesh upper surface which is soft and puffy. And looking inside the shoe, we can see the Nike Solarsoft insole on the inside. And let's pop up the stuffing that's inside so we have a better view inside the shoe. So taking a look inside, we can see that sock liner, the Solarsoft sock liner with the blue trimmings or edge to it. And that provides a cushy impact absorption for the shoe. And around the collar of the shoe, we can see that it does have a medium level of padding around the ankle collar and heel clip. And taking a look directly from the back to give you some idea of the shape of the shoe. So a top-down look and various angles and aspects of this Nike SB Chron Solarsoft in the black-white colorway. And taking a look at the sole or bottom of the shoe, we can see a concentric herringbone style design from the ball of the foot area that radiates outwards towards the length of the outsole. And that textured Nike swoosh at the heel of the shoe. And some close-up details of the sole and the material as well. You can see that it does flex and move with just simple pressure from my finger pressing down against its surface. And in terms of the grip and feel, you can see as I drag my finger across the surface of the sole, it does have a nice tacky feel to it. And let's do a flex and bend test with my hands to give you some idea of the pliability of the shoe. It's right there, giving you a look at how the shoe responds or moves. And now let's take a look at the right foot side. So it's just setting the left shoe down and bringing the box right to the front again. And let's pop the right shoe out and setting the box to the side again. So this time we have the right shoe of the Nike SB Chron Solarsoft in the black-white colorway. So from the front again, you can see that soft suede nap that covers the front portion of the shoe, and of course the canvas panel around the midfoot area, and the eye stay is made of suede as well, similar to that of the front section of the shoe. And around the back, the heel counter is covered with a suede panel, and of course the entire length around the bottom of the shoe is vulcanized in a very bright white. that goes along with that Nike swoosh on both sides of the shoe. And we see once again that concentric herringbone design across the length of the outsole or bottom of the shoe. And now let's take a look at the pair together. The Nike SB Chron Solarsoft in black white. And taking a look from the front to the back. And the soles as well. So that's Nike SB Chron Solarsoft in the black white colorway. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!